Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to make a circular array in Blender. Circular array is a new feature in Blender 5. If you want to use circular array, firstly we can select an object and then go to Modifier Properties and add the modifier. Next, we can go to Generate and add Array Modifier. So we can go to Array Modifier. We can see that the default setting is array object in line shape. We can change it to circle. Next, we can go to radius to increase the radius. Actually, we can go to the viewport, click and drag the box to adjust the radius. Or we can type the value. I will use 6 meters. And then we can change the number of counts. We can increase it. And also we can click and drag the cross to change the number of counts. I will use 10. And also we can change the axis from X, Y to Z. And also we can change the circle segment. We can use full or we can use arc. And we can change the angle of the arc. For example, I will use 270 degrees. Now I go back to full circle, and also we can uncheck the alignment of rotation to go back the orientation of the curve. I check the align rotation to circular shape. And also we can randomize the location. So this is how we can make a circular array in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.